Welcome back to Sonic Insights. Welcome back to another Sonic Insights newsletter voiceover. My name is Colin Borns, and this is the week of September 18th. Facebook's Project Aria and Ray-Ban partnership on AR glasses. This year, during the Facebook Virtual Connect conference, Mark Zuckerberg announced a partnership with EssilorLuxottica, the owners of Ray-Ban, to produce consumer smart glasses in 2021. He also announced Project Aria, which is a new research project to build wearable AR glasses of the future. Apple Watch is being held back by Siri. Dieter Bohn, the executive editor at the tech publication The Verge, published an article praising the Apple Watch's utility while highlighting the smartwatch's biggest limitation, Siri. Apple's path toward creating more utility for Siri on the watch might ultimately lie in using Siri to more accurately catalog the data being logged by the watch. NVIDIA researchers detail clinical speech transcription system. At the Conference for Machine Intelligence in Medical Imaging 2020, NVIDIA researchers presented a paper giving insight into how a medically savvy language model can be applied to improve physician productivity and patient experiences. Cerence brings custom voice assistant wake word to cars. To engage with popular voice assistants like Siri, Alexa, or Google Assistant, you need to call it by name. Cerence is switching this up with voice tech in the car by releasing its customizable wake-up word technology that enables drivers to create their own personalized wake-up word for their automotive assistant. Samuel L. Jackson gets custom wake word on Alexa. Samuel L. Jackson's Alexa skill, initially released a year ago, is adding over 30,000 new phrases on the platform with new jokes, roasts, stories, and more. This includes 5 times the content, and it comes with a custom Hey Samuel wake word. Bollywood star Amitabh Bachchan is the new voice of Amazon's Alexa. Amazon has signed up India's biggest movie star, Amitabh Bachchan, for Alexa in a bid to lure users in the world's second most populated nation to its services. You can purchase it now through your Alexa connected device. Inside the crowdsourced quest for inclusive voice AI. Voice tech does not understand everyone given a range of complexities on how the tech is built and the price of data. Mozilla is building the world's largest public domain dataset for training voice AI. Amazon makes Alexa routines shareable. Alexa users have been able to set custom routines for a while now, but Amazon is making it easier to share routines with friends and family. Alexa now has the ability to turn routines into shareable URL links so that customers can share the routines that they use with others. Google app for iOS can now read articles. The Google app for iOS is getting new text-to-speech features. Google revealed that iOS users can now have the Google app read articles out loud on iOS and cue multiple pages to be read in the style of a podcast. Promise of voice AI in game development. AI voices are sounding more realistic today than ever before in the history of synthetic voice technology. The latest advancement in voice AI bring with it a host of new opportunities for creatives, game developers, and game media. Alexa Kids rebrand comes with new Alexa feature. Amazon's rebrand of kid-friendly services Amazon Freetime and Amazon Freetime Unlimited to Amazon Kids and Amazon Kids Plus is also coming with some new Echo integrations. They can now use their tablet to broadcast a voice message to everyone in their home through the device's Announce feature. Google and Lenovo partner on Series 1 Meet conferencing kit. A new 5-piece hardware solution by Lenovo and Google, built specifically for Google Meet, is targeted at companies decentralizing into remote satellite offices. The turnkey solution is optimized to provide a high-end video conferencing experience powered by Google Assistant. Feds confuse $400,000 worth of OnePlus buds as counterfeit AirPods. U.S. Customs and Border Protection tweeted that its officers had seized 2,000 counterfeit Apple AirPods. However, if you look at the photos, in the tweet, they appear to be OnePlus buds. However, the U.S. Customs has defended this seizure. Volkswagen and Cerence partner to bring voice to ID3 in Europe. Cerence announced that Volkswagen selected them to power the innovative voice assistant in Volkswagen's new fully electric ID.3. The assistant delivers voice-powered control for all of the key in-car functions, including music and media, navigation, heating and air conditioning, phone calls and messaging, and will be available in October. Baidu launches Xidu Pods with Duer OS upgrades. Baidu launched the Xidu Pods smart earbuds with functions including built-in translation and voice search. They also upgraded their conversational AI system, Duer OS 6.0, with features meant to integrate into our everyday lives. Replicant raises $27 million Series A. Replicant is an autonomous contact center that creates an always-on customer experience with voice AI. They just raised a $27 million Series A that was led by Norwest Venture Partners with participation from State Farm's venture arm, Atomic, Bloomberg Beta, and Casanova Ventures. Chartable raises $2.25 million seed. Chartable, a startup that creates podcast analytics and attribution for publishers and advertisers, just raised $2.25 million in seed funding. The funding was led by Initialized Capital, which also contributed to Chartable's $1.5 million round last year, and includes participation from Naval Ravikant, Greycroft Partners, The Fund, and Weekend Fund. Observe.ai raises $54 million Series B. Observe.ai is a startup that uses AI, speech recognition, and natural language processing to power call center software. They recently announced a $54 million Series B funding round led by Menlo Ventures with participation from Next 47 Ventures and NGP Capital. For an efficient way to stay up to date with audio, voice, and hearable technology, subscribe to our newsletter, podcast, and YouTube by checking us out at sonicinsights.co.